Whilst this treatment is simple and very effective, education of how to make the therapy and administer it has not been widely developed. This is where support comes in, an app aimed at medical volunteers and healthcare workers in impoverished countries such as Nigeria. In principle, the app is very simple, aiming to aid the diagnosis and treatment of diarrheal symptoms. A voiceover guide, provided in selected languages, walks you through the diagnosis of diarrhea and then describes the recipe for the therapy. If possible, boiling the water prior to making the therapy will remove pathogens and ensure that the treatment is sterile. Whilst this app is an important guide in the alleviation of diarrheal symptoms, it is crucial that any other conditions or worsening of symptoms are tended to by medical professionals. When the app is opened, there will be an option to select the appropriate language. From there, a sequence of questions will be asked which will help support decide the correct course of action. The first question asked will be the age of the patient, as this will affect the oral rehydration therapy measurements. For each question, a speaker option is available. Once selected, the question will be read out to the user. This will allow greater accessibility to our app, as if the user struggles with literacy, this can then be navigated. For each question, an appropriate image will accompany it, allowing for the user to ensure they are answering the question correctly, meaning more accurate advice can be given.
Support is targeted for primary healthcare providers as they are the most likely to have access to technology that supports the use of the app. Furthermore, posters for the app can be displayed in healthcare centres to show the QR code for the app and provide a homemade oral rehydration solution recipe. The poster highlights key symptoms of diarrhea and the minimum dosage amounts required for each age group.
The overall aim of support is to educate people on how to treat the diarrhoea that is synonymous with almost all waterborne diseases. The app will allow the increasing number of the Nigerian population with internet access to quickly gain the knowledge they need to make oral rehydration therapy to reduce the risk of death from the dehydration diarrhoea causes. In conjunction with the app, posters in health centres will give people in more rural communities which may not be able to use the app access to this valuable knowledge. Due to the visual and audio features that the app and the poster together provide, we believe support provides valuable, accessible information to tackle the global challenge of waterborne diseases.